To my YouTube channel. Today our topic is properties and types of integration mechanism. Properties of integration. First is the data integration. First point in data integration is interoperability. How much work must be done for a tool to manipulate data produced by another? Non-redundancy. How much data managed by a tool are duplicated in or can be derived from the data managed by another? Consistency. How well to do two tools cooperate to maintain the semantic constraints on the data they manipulate. Exchange. How much work must be done to make the non-persistent data generated by one tool usable by another. And the synchronization. How well does a tool communicate change its makes to value the non-persistent common data. Control integration. Provision. To what extent are a tool service used by other tools in the environment? To what extent does a tool use the services provided by the other tools in the environment? Presentation integration. Appearance and behavior. To what extent do two tools use similar screen appearances and the interactive behaviors? Interaction paradigm. To what extent do two tools use similar metaphors and mental models? Next is the process integration. Process step. How well do relevant tools combine to support the performance of a process step? Event. How well do relevant tools agree on the events required to support a process? Constraint. How well do relevant tools cooperate to enforce a constraint? And when considered in light of actual integration mechanisms, however, these distinctions present certain difficulties. This is because integration from a mechanistic perspective is more difficult to separate into these clear and distinct categories. Integrating mechanism. Whenever integration takes place through some real integrating mechanism, then data are shared between the agents. Controlled interaction between the agents take place. Presentation of information and an interface to operation must exist. The integration takes place in the context of some process, whether explicit or otherwise. Example. For example, to embed a diagram produced by analysis and design tool into a document being written using a desktop publishing system, it must be possible to embed the text and graphical representation of the diagram in the document flow, synchronize the transfer and sharing of the design, present an interface that allows the embedding to take place, and perform the embedding in a manner consistent with the organization's process and documentation standards. Next is the relationship between data and the control integration. The essential difference between mechanisms that integrate data and control is data integration mechanism emphasize storage and the persistence, common data structures and shared understanding of those structures. Control integration mechanism emphasize a common communication approach between components and a shared understanding of the events that initiate interaction. Next is the presentation integration. Service for the presentation integration. At a functional level, the presentation integration of a case environment can be discussed in terms of the behavior available at the environment's user interface. While behavior at the user interface could be interpreted in many ways, it is almost always viewed by the case community as a look and feel issue. That is, presentation integration is achieved by ensuring the same visual appearance of the user interface of each of the components. For example, menus with similar options and consistent designs of icons, and by having similar effects occur when the same interaction takes place. For example, double clicking on the trash can icon has the same effect no matter which case environment component is being executed. Next is the mechanism supporting presentation integration. The main interest of the presentation integration from a mechanistic perspective is the sophistication of the mechanisms that are provided and the consistency of their use throughout the case environment. Sophistication of mechanism, the reduced cost and better performance of a bitmapped graphics workstation has led to a move toward graphical user interfaces rather than the text-based interfaces. Consistency of mechanisms, the expectations is that if all the components uses the same mechanisms, then it is more likely that there will be some measures of consistency between the interfaces of the component. Process aspects of presentation integration, providing a single consistent way to access and execute the various case tools that form a case environment. This view of presentation integration take approaches that user interaction with the case tool should be restricted to a single process to ensure that the tools can only be accessed by the appropriate people in a project and so that the tools are executed with the appropriate version of the data to operate on.